GrammarlyGO is the only generative AI product that you need. It's easy to use in the places you write. With one download, you get the power of generative AI in every text box across the web. At the click of a button, you can draft an instant response or rewrite text to be clear and ready to send. GrammarlyGO makes it easy to write better and faster right where you're working. It's personalized to you. GrammarlyGO is built to understand your style, voice, and intent, so your writing doesn't sound like a robot, it sounds like you. You set your writing voice and provide direction, and you get custom-made text generation. You're in control, and GrammarlyGO helps you be the best version of yourself. GrammarlyGO has hundreds of suggested prompts that guide you to effective, high-quality output. It detects your unique context and offers the most relevant suggested prompts to you, a button click away. With GrammarlyGO, you get personalized, relevant generative AI where you write, with enterprise-grade security and data privacy controls that you can trust. Download GrammarlyGO today. You'll be amazed at what you can do.